Bhakati Rasa. Have taken shelter in the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Duty Pada. Two lotus feet. The feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu are like lotus, so soft, so sweet, so fragrant, more than lotus. In every way. Lotus flowers can make close and
wilted,
dry, but they will never dry. So those have taken these lotus flowers, two lotus flowers of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, lotus fields, as their wealth. Shri Jani Bhakati Rasasar. They can realize Bhakti Rasa. Sha means sab and substance of
essence.
Bhakti Rasa. First, there is Bhakti. And there are of 64 kinds of Bhakti, written by Srila Rupa Goswami. Not the Bhakti mixed with karma, mixed with jnana, yog, tapasya, annabhilasita sunyam, jnana karma, jnanapratam anukullena krishna anushilyanam bhakti. When it is practiced, it can be practiced in 64 kinds. But not all, any worldly desire. No self-sense gratifications. No salvation. No to be wealthy. Sometimes we see that some devotees, those who are practicing bhakti and serving their holy master Gurudev, but they make some a share of 75 and 25, sometimes half and half, and sometimes they want to swallow everything. Swallow means?
Swallow.
Right?
Swallow.
Swallow everything. But they don't know they are going towards hell. Only their love hai. They are gaining, they should only gain the highest love for Krishna. This is only gain. And they are sharing something for money, for prestige, for reputations, all these things, then it is not Suddha Bhakti. Certainly they are going to be what?
Too much
Huh?
more.
Ruined. So you should also not take your hearts. So these are not bhakti. So bhakti should be, bhakti is of three kinds. Sarv Siddha Bhakti, Sangha Siddha Bhakti, and Arop Siddha Bhakti. Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam. And for this only we want Krishna Bhakti. That Krishna should be pleased, devotees should be pleased, and Guru should be pleased. Only thing. No gain, margin, anything. No share, 50-50 or anything. We know that almost or अधिकांश लोग ये करते हैं. So if you want to be pure devotees of Sarup Siddha Bhakti, we should try. Krishna will arrange anyhow. So you should not do these things. You should go to door and you will tell that we are taking it for making mandir. But if you will have one pice even from this, then you will be good. Don't do all these things. No need of doing temples. Our health should be here this weekend. Or Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati or Gurudev told that you should try to make your heart like a temple and others also. Gokul Das Babaji Maharaj has not founded any temple. Srila Goswami only he did Bhakti Govindaji Mandir temple. And he had not done what he had told others to do and they told. Not all of Goswamis are very few, very few. Yeah. It is bound to come all these nonsense things. So very few, we should try first to make our hearts like this. Then Sangha Siddha, if good qualities are with bhakti, then they are good. Otherwise, they have no value, like zero. Bhakti has all kinds of qualities. If there is bhakti, all kinds of good qualities are there. And if there is no bhakti, nothing, like zero. So, we should not try to be first, oh, I am honor, I am honest. No? I am so, I took so much tolerance. I speak true. You should do bhakti first. And after that, all will come. And if there is no bhakti and you will try artificially, they will not. Or bhakti will also not. Understand what I am going to tell? What I told.
You're saying that we should not try to endeavor separately to develop qualities like truthfulness,
Yes.
and like this, but if we perform bhakti, automatically these qualities will come.
Also, any kinds of knowledge. If you had done Vishwavidyalaya, University degree, very good. After that, you can come and join. And if you have joined Krishna consciousness, we don't require any degree from any world or any Vishwavidyalaya university. No need. Then we should try to go in the college of Haridas Thakur, Srila Gaurkishore Das Babaji Maharaj. There are so many good universities than this. So we should change this. We should not try to gain knowledge artificially or any kind of quality or anything. We should depend on the Harinam and Harikatha and our service of our Gurudev and Vaishnavas. This is more good quality of Vishwavidyalaya, universities. And we begin. Everything there. Universities cannot give you any visa or anything for Vrindavan, but they can give. So many visas and everything they will give. They have power. If you show that, what? Chap of name and Harikatha, then, oh, the doorkeepers of Golok Vrindavan, oh, yes, come. And they will not see all these things. They will check them. And Sangha Siddha and Arup Siddha, especially we are doing Arup Siddha Bhakti, not Sarup Siddha Bhakti. We want to mix all these things. Making so many things for nothing. we should hardly try to help others in Swarup Siddha Bhakti. Swamiji has told that simply take Harinam, Hari Katha, and dance and take so much Mahaprasadam and distribute all. This is a very good university, I think. And I think that Swamiji has preached by these things, only for three things.
Is it kitchen religion?
But it is high class of university. So we should try, we should not try those who have taken shelter in the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and they know that this is our Sampat, Dhan, wealth. They can know Bhakti, Bhakti Ras, and Bhakti Sar. Sar means essence. There are three things. First Bhakti, and then Bhakti Rasa, and Bhakti Rasa Sar. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhakti Rasa Sar has been given. In Chaitanya Chaitamrit, Bhakti Rasa Sar. What is that? First we should know that what is Bhakti. If we are practicing Annabhilasita Sunyam, Gyan Karma Adi Anapratam, Anukulin Krishna Anushlam, in right process, from a bona fide Guru or Vaishnava, then we will arambha karenge. Begin from Shraddha, Nishtha, Ruchi. How we should forgive all these offenses, anartha, all kinds of worldly attachment. There are wall for bhakti. It is very hard to gallop. So we should do bhakti, Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, Padasevanam, and all other 64 which are helpful for us. Then Bhakti Rasa. What is Bhakti Rasa? Rupa Goswami has done Bhakti Rasa, where Bhav, Vibhav, Anubhav, Sattvic and Vyabhichari are mixed in proportion what it should be, in good proportion. Then it has become a rasa. What is our sthai bhav? What is the relation to Krishna? To Ashraya, we are Ashraya. Then Alamban, Udipan, so many things will come. And after that, Vyabhichari, Sattvic, all the articles will come on sthai bhav. And then it will be like Bhakti Rasa. Like Krishna is the object of the praying. Jashoda Maya and his Vatsalya Rasa is ashraya, container, receptacle. Jashoda Maya saw that Krishna is coming, small boy, no clothes, no covering, anything. And he is coming, oh mother, 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 like this, speaking. And this cousin with tears and something, like doing so, like voice. Yasodama was turning. She took at once their boy in her laps. Here, Krishna is object, and Yashoda Maya is mother, that is ashraya, container, receptacle. No? And when he took in his lap, he saw the face of Krishna weeping something, but so beautiful. And she kissed Krishna. Oh, don't weep like this. And began to sing Govinda Damodara Madhaveji, Govinda Damodara Madhaveji. And he became so overjoyed that tears, they were unhoused among 33 kinds. And Satvik, he was something.
Shivering, trembling.
Tears are coming. His face is sometimes changing as moods are coming new. To kiss the boys, sons, also a kind of Devi Pichari. And tears were coming. And he was very carefully
Petting the head.
petting,
Stroking.
caressing.
Caressing.
So these are all mix, it is Bhakti Ras. In the heart of Krishna, Bhakti Ras came out. This is Bhakti Ras. I gave an example of Vatsal. We can look also in Sakharas, Vatsal-ras, Madhur-ras, everywhere. Before Rupa Goswami and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, it was only Bhakti. Everywhere Bhakti in Ramanuj, in Nambark and ever whole world. From beginning, it was Bhakti. But no Bhakti Ras. But when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and told Rupa Goswami all the teachings and make it like Bhakti Ras, then he wrote Bhakti Rasami Sindhu. And his books are, what is Bhakti Ras? But it needs some, how think,
Needs guidance.
Explanation.
how to put all the things together that it will be Ras. If you have 1 kilo of sugar and giving only very little water and giving so much 10 kilo of nipu, lemon and 2 kilo of kevada,
Yes.
then it will be what?
That's
Tasteless and so much, and it will cause something bad. It will be bad. So we will have to know what is the proportions of all these things. An expert person, same chawal, same dal, same vegetables, same oil and masala, and cooker makes it so bitter. And anyone not giving anything more, very little, but so delicious and sweet. So it depends on that person who is giving all the things and mixing in right proportions. Then it will be Bhakti Ras. Rupa Goswami has not told that how it should be mixed, in what proportion. Who has done this? Raghunath Das Goswami. How to mix them? How to make a ras? He knew from Rupa Goswami and he gave the formulas. How it will be ras? We don't want to be qualified and we tell that we are not qualified, we will not go to them, Raghunath Das Goswami or Rupa Goswami. We will do bhakti and it will do everything. Then not even a bhakti, bona fide bhakti, Swarup Siddha bhakti, only that is what? Arav Siddha. Only Arav, not Sangha Siddha also. And it cannot be transferred into bhakti rasa in lakhs and lakhs of years. So Swamiji also had seen anywhere Swamiji was has made meaning of this song. So, Raghunath Das Goswami has done, actually. And after that, Srila Krishna Das Goswami, Ji Goswami, and all others has accepted. Narottam Thakur, his companions, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, they have done all these things. Bhakti Rasa. He wanted to give a drop or even a sprinkle of that drop. Swamiji came here, crossing salty waters so much. And उसको बचाते हुए, just salty let us swimmer, protected here, crossed his so many seas like Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and then he came always. How he stepped from this namkeen water, namkeen means salty water. If he has not stepped, then it would have been mixed with salt. What is that salt? No? Eat, drink and be merry. Sense gratifications, cheating others, duplicity, hypocrisy, all are salts. Then a sprinkle only can come from that Raghunath Das Goswami, Rupa Goswami and all has made it. This is the message he wanted to give. This is the message which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought from Golo Vrindavan Dham. So Swamiji also giving the meaning. Same I am giving. You can see anywhere it will be. Must take it. Then Bhakti Ras. It has been described in Srimad Bhagavatam Bhakti Ras. Gopi Geet. Baraha Pidam Natavarabapu Karnayo Karnikaram Bibhradvasa Kanaka Kapisham Jayanti Chamalam Randhana Venuradhara Sudhaya Murayan Goparbindai Bindaranam Savadaramanam Pravishatake. Yes. Dhanyasvamudhamatayo apiharanyeta Janandanandanam upatta vichitravesha Akarna venuranitam saha Krishna sara Bhujang datho viraritam pranayatan. Oh, dears are coming. Certainly they are so fortunate. We tell that they are wow, murkha, foolish. They are so foolish. But really they are not foolish. They are coming to Krishna, hearing the lotus, the voice of Venu, so sweet, and seeing the face of Krishna, they get her to the lotus feet of Krishna. And they are praying for Krishna affection. We want affection. From the core of eyes, the deers are seeing towards Krishna, and Krishna is telling, yes, yes, why not? I will give you. So these deers are how they are fortunate. Gopis are telling, we are not fortunate. Why? Because our husband, our mother-in-law, sister-in-law, all are opposite to us. If they see that I am going towards Krishna, they will smell and they will bring some stick quarreling to me. I will tell that I am not going to meet Krishna, but yet they will not trust me. If I am going there, then my husband will tell, I will break your legs, how you are going to Krishna. And see how fortunate they are. Her husband is coming, following her. Oh, don't fear. I am with you. Let anyone say, but I am here, I am supporting you. You should go and beg Krishna Prem from Krishna. This is Bhakti Rasa. Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavibiritam kalmasha Shravana mangalam Srimadasatam Bhui Kridanti Te Bhurida Jana. This is Bhakti Rasa. Gopis are telling, some are telling in other sense and some are telling in others. Some are telling that your katha is so nectar, and another are refuting. Your katha is like poison, and giving so many examples they are telling. Those who are distributing these Hari Kathas, poison, like nectar, having a book of Srimad Bhagavatam here, and some secretariat here, no here, shape here, everything, having tilak and tulsi mala here, shouting that, oh, come on, without pies we will teach you Srimad Bhagavatam. Here, Srimad Bhagavatam. They are Bhurida. Bhurida means gain so much wealth. None are equal to that person. And another gopis is telling that this Hari Katha and Hari name, Krishna name is poison, certainly poison, because it has made us upset. We are so much good, so much pleasing in our Grihastha ashram. But when we heard this voice of Venu and saw this face, beautiful face of Krishna, and we are chanting Harinam and hearing Harikatha, we become mad. Give up all husband, and husbands are telling that to give them their wives, each other, coming to Vrindavan, always weeping and weeping their all families' persons. So certainly it is like a poison. Those who distribute these Harikathas and Krishna Nam like slaughter there. Slaughter means they are like slaughters. Badhi. Because without anything, they took Srimad Bhagavatam and go village to village, door to door, and listen, I will not take, I don't want money, I want only that you should hear. So those who distribute Harikatha like this, they are like hunters. Don't go, don't believe them, they will cheat you. Gopis are telling. See, we have been cheated. We heard Harikatha anywhere, and we have become so, and Krishna had left us, and now we are all weeping and wandering where in forest, and our husband is weeping, our mother-in-law, mother, sons, and everyone weeping. You can see us also. We heard Harikatha and left our children's wealth, everything. You can see everywhere. So this is Bhakti Rasa. Madhupakitava bandho mashpi sangri shapatna. This is primarily. And what is Bhakti Rasa Sar? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu churned all these things. Because it is combined, Radha and Krishna both modes are there. Both beauty has been combined, and both mercy has come to mix, and it has become so powerful, and he can make Bhakti Rasa Sar. What is Bhakti Rasa? Conjugal love, especially of the mode of Srila Rupa Goswami. This is Bhakti Rasa. Especially the mood of Srimati Radhika, Mahabhav, Ruda, Adhiruda and all these things, which have been described in Chaitanya Charitamrita. So these are Bhakti Rasa Sar. A person who is receiving knowledge for anywhere, in colleges or anything, in degree colleges, they cannot have. By Sanskrit reading, it will learn. Those who have selected the two lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in their hearts, depending on that, chanting what he has told, hearing what he has told, easily, very easily, in no time, very soon it will come. Bhakti Rasa, the mood of Radhikas. That has Chaitanya Mahaprabhu bestowed, given. So this is Bhakti Rasa Sar. Gaurangera Madhura Lila, jar karne praveshila. Don't try to slay anyone. Gaurangera Madhura Lila, jar karne praveshila. The very sweet and the pastimes of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But pastimes are there. Once he was sleeping, and Bhakts were seeing that he Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not in Gambhira. He began to search in midnight, but they cannot search. They searched here, there, look, corner, closing the doors. First stage, second stage, third stage. Third stage means first gate, second gate, third gate. They could not find it. Then they searched here and there where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to go in daytime. They went to see, they went to the Gopinath Tota, they went to Jagannath Tota, I Tota, the garden of Jagannath, and they saw that he is like dead. And all his organs so long. And he was laying down, died. Sardamodar came with Rai Ramananda and all the bhakts came and they began to be what to do. Sardamodar suggested them that begin at once Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Very loudly they began to chant Hare Krishna and like singing and Mahasankirtan, and they were Mahaprabhu. After some time he has some realization and he at once got up. Hare Krishna, Hare. Oh, what are you doing here? Oh. And then he began to wait. Oh, I was sleeping very soundly in Gambhira. I heard a flute voice, very sweet. And after that, what became, I don't know. I ran after. And how I came here, I don't know. And here I was playing with Krishna. All the gopis were dancing. I was also dancing. I am Radha like this. I am dancing with Krishna. Why you took me from there? Where you are taking to me? Who am I? Where I am going? And he again began to. Then they consoled. Anyhow, they took to Gambhira and searched. After that, oh, have I done anything wrong? What I was telling, why I was sleeping, I don't know. Tell me, what happened? So, this is Radhika mood is having the mood of Radhika is testing Krishna beautiful and four kinds of Madhuri and all these things. This is Bhakti Rasa. And this is the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gauranga Madhura. If anyone realizes, we will hear, we will search in the heart all these things. Even this Harikatha is coming in our ears. Tara Hirdaya Nirmala Bhelota. At once, the heart of that devotee, you will hear the pastimes of sweet pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. At once clear, we will not go by any other thing. By yoga, tapasya, jnana, never. Never by the bhakti also. So if you will hear, anyone hears, Hridaya Nirmala Bhelota, then heart will be so clear. But we will tell that we are not qualified to hear Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Leela also, because Krishna Leela and Gaur Leela are the same. Don't think that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was a Radhika. Oh, it will be very offensive. Don't do. And we will take some cotton and give that. And any person should not come to us telling all these Harikatha. It is very offensive. And it is against the principles of Swami. The persons, those who don't nothing, then they will believe that, oh, they are telling. Because they are my God brothers. So we should not listen to all these things. It is like a poison, they will tell. I'm worried that some of them are telling that Narayan Maharaj has come and he is initiating all the initiated person. Bogus propaganda. Totally false they are doing. Why they are doing, I don't know. They cannot give any instance that I have initiated anyone who has been initiated. You can ask them that you can give an example that has. I don't initiate anyone. Very few, if they are coming more and more. Those who are fallen, I want to help them. Those who are helpless, I want to help them. I have never given them. Why they are nonsense doing I cannot. This is like offense. I want to give all these things. I have no time to do all these things. Even I have not protested. But I think that it is our duty to protest this thing. Because the newcomers, they are cheated. So I think that this should be done. And given that Narayan Maharaj is not doing all these nonsense things, and he has not come, or even in Mathura, I don't. I think that I have never done a single person like this. But I helped so much. Tamal Krishna Swami and all they are coming to me, I help them. And if this is initiation, then surely I have done all these things. I give initiation. Lakhs and lakhs devotees. In Mathura, all and the inhabitants of Mathura, Vrindavan, Navadvip, they all tell me, oh Gurudev, oh Gurudev. Shiksha Guru may be Gurudev. A person who has taken us in the way of to Gurudev. Tate ki bole? Path Pradarshak Guru. Way Guru. He also can be. To seniors we can tell that you my Gurudev, like Sikha Guru. No harm. So all Mathura Vashi who live in Mathura and Vrindavan, Navadvip and all regard me like Gurudev. Though I am not qualified, but they are thinking. But it is not initiated. I have not given fire, jagya and no upavi like this. This is initiation. But I can tell a wild beast like donkeys. Oh, donkey Mahashaya, my friend, come on, tell Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. We went to the very deep forest in weather, hills, and I shouted, "Oh trees here, oh grasses here, oh horses you should hear. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram." If anyone thinks that it is initiation, very good. I like to initiate whole world. Like Swamiji, no harm. But with fire yajna, with giving this second initiation, first initiation, third initiation, or fourth, I have nothing to do. So, why they do, I don't know. If they think that Tamal Krishna was initiated by me, Giriraj Maharaj was initiated by me, this
Rani.
Shamrani has been initiated, that because I call her Shamrani. A donkey, I tell that, "Oh Hari, come on. When I see a dog, oh Sham, come on." I have given initiation and I have kept dinner. Je Gaurangar naam lay. Tar hai Premodar, how many minutes? Past?
45
I wanted to. So then I should stop. Gaurangar naam lay. Those who take the name of Gauranga Dev. Gauranga. Gauranga means, then it becomes Gauranga. Gauri is Radhika. Gauri is Radhika. Anga, who has taken, is Gauranga. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Radhika. So those who are taking Sachinandan Gaur Hari, Sachinandan Gaur Krishna. Tarha Premodaya. In lakhs and lakhs, but Prem is not received. We cannot have Prem. But only by taking Naam Gauranga, Gauranga, Gaur, Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Then Prem Uday. What is Prem Uday? Bhav. And this is Vishuddha Sattva. Then itself it comes. Tarmoi Jari Vai Hai. Those who have taken this and Prema is going to be done, that is, Bhav mood is coming, this is Prema Bhav. It is called Prem Abhash. Like Arunodaya. Surya has not come, but yet everything is clear. When it comes, then Shanti Radatta Kalattam Viraktirmana Shunyata Asha Bandha Samutkanthanam Game Sadaruchi Asakti Tatpasatya Sthale Priti Tatpatatya Sthale Ityadu Bhava Surjat Bhavam Kurejane. These are the symptoms. It will not enough to tell that I have received bhava, I have the mood of